Hey guys, let's see how much money my laundromat made while I was on vacation for the past few days. We're going to check the pop machine first and see how much money we made. Here's the dollar bill acceptor. Oh, not too bad. All right, we're going to get this change bucket here. We're going to put my other bucket and we're going to, oh crap, oh no. Okay, now we're going to go and check the snack machine with candy and chips and stuff like that. That's pretty good. Not great. This machine never does as well as the pop machine out of the front. We're going to put those quarters in here. Oh crap, this isn't good. I mean, it's out of quarters, so we got to throw quarters in the machine really quick. But we're going to see how many bills. Oh my gosh, look at those bills. That's a lot. That's a lot of money, guys. That's a lot of money. So I've got so many quarters here in my washers and dryers. I'm to the point that I just can't count them anymore. So we're going to take them and I'm going to throw them on a scale in a little bit and see how much money we made there. Here's my handy helper laundry machine thingy. And we're going to check our arcade machine because we haven't done that in a while. So here is the bucket for the arcade machine. Now we're going to weigh just the washer dryer quarters on here. We're going to multiply this by 20. So, oh my gosh, that's like $1,200. That's the most we've ever done here on TikTok. All right, we'll throw those in there. This is just the arcade machine. We're going to run these scores too. 165, not bad. We'll put the numbers up on the screen a little bit later. These are the quarters just for the vending machines. My Coca-Cola machine out front and the snack machine that's inside. About 1/3 of what comes in goes towards the snacks and the drinks. So we're going to see how many quarters there are, and we're already over 500, so that's over $100 already. We're going to check this. 916. Wow, that's pretty good. Almost $250. So here's our bills for the vending machine and the washers and dryers. We're going to run these through, and this is just the count only for the vending machines. And the vending machines made 131. So now we're only going to do the ones from the washers and dryers. We're going to add that amount. We'll let it keep going. Now we're going to go on to the $5 bills and put those in the machine and see how much we've got. Now the $10 bills, and then after this we're going to do the 20s. Wow, 1165. So the arcade machine made a little over 41, vending 360, washers, dryers a little over 1,000, 1435.